Measures of variation. The measures of variation are lower extreme, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, upper extreme, range, and interquartile range. Definitions. Lower extreme is the number with the least value in a data set. To find the lower extreme, we're going to put the numbers in order. Then we're going to find the smallest number. Okay, in this case, the lower extreme is 18. What is the lower extreme? Put the numbers in order. The lower extreme is 4. The lower extreme for this set of data, put the numbers in order. And 21 is the number with the least value. Again, numbers in order, and 4 has the least value. Upper extreme is the number with the greatest value. I'm going to put the numbers in order and find the number with the greatest value. For the upper extreme, we put the numbers in order and find the number with the greatest value. Upper extreme, the biggest number. Okay, the lower quartile is the median of the lower half of the data. To find the lower quartile, step 1, we put the numbers in order, least to greatest. Step 2, find the median. The median's 23, the number in the middle. The median splits the data into 2 halves. So here we have the median. Notice there's a box behind the lower half of the data. And the median for the lower half of the data is called the lower quartile. In this case, it's 19. Go ahead and pause the video and try this one for yourself. Find the lower quartile. Okay, step 1, put the numbers in order. Step 2, find the median, which is 8. Step 3, find the median of the lower half of the data, which is 5. The lower quartile for this set of data, put the numbers in order. Find the median. In this case, we have 2 numbers in the middle, so we'll average those. We get 24.5. And when this happens, the lower half of the data would also include one of those numbers you averaged to find the median. Okay, so the median of the lower half of the data, we have 2 numbers that are actually in the middle, and we're going to average those. And the lower quartile is 21. New set of numbers, put them in order least to greatest. Find the median. I have to average these 2 numbers. Now we're going to find the lower quartile by finding the median of the lower half of the data. Again, we have 2 numbers that we need to average, and the lower quartile is 5.5. Upper quartile is the median of the upper half of the data. Step 1, put the numbers in order. At this point, you should be seeing a pattern that our first step is always to put the numbers in order least to greatest when looking for any of the measures of variation. Okay, step 2, we're going to find the median. Step 3, Well, the median splits the data into two halves. Step 3, find the median of the upper half of the data. So, numbers in order, median, and then the median of the upper half, and that is called the upper quartile. Set of numbers, put the numbers in order least to greatest. Find the median, which separates the data into two halves. For the upper quartile, we'll be dealing with the upper half, and we find the median of the upper half, which is 19. Step 1, put the numbers in order. Step 2, find the median. Have two numbers in the middle. We're going to average those. Then we find the median of the upper half of the data. Two numbers, which we will average. And 31.5 is the upper quartile for this set of data. Try this one on your own and pause the video to check yourself. Put the numbers in order. Find the median, which we need to average to find in this case. Find the median of the upper half of the data. Again, we have two numbers in the middle, so we need to average those. Range, the distance between the lower extreme and the upper extreme, or the difference in the upper and lower extremes. And we have a set of numbers. The lower extreme, upper extreme, we subtract those. The range is 12. Step 1, arrange the numbers least to greatest. Step 2, find the lowest and highest numbers, the upper and lower extremes. Step 3, subtract. Okay, pause the video. Find the range for the set of numbers. Put the numbers in order least to greatest. The upper extreme minus the lower extreme is 25. That is our range. And again, least to greatest. Upper extreme minus lower extreme equals range. Least to greatest. Upper extreme minus lower extreme equals the range. Least to greatest. Upper extreme minus lower extreme equals range. The interquartile range is the distance between the lower quartile and the upper quartile. Step 1, put the numbers in order least to greatest. Step 2, find the median. Step 3, find the lower and upper quartiles. And finally, find the difference between the upper and lower quartiles. 27 minus 19 is 8. The interquartile range. Put the numbers in order. Find the median. Find the upper and lower quartiles. And subtract. Interquartile range equals upper quartile minus lower quartile. Pause the video. Try this one for yourself. Put the numbers in order. Find the median. Find the upper and lower quartiles. Upper quartile minus lower quartile equals interquartile range. Put the numbers in order. Find the median. In this case, we have to average. Find the upper and lower quartiles. Upper quartile minus lower quartile equals interquartile range.